Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a nightstand. Let's start off by drawing a long, thin rectangle for the top of the nightstand. Followed by a big vertical rectangle underneath. Inside of that, draw 3 smaller horizontal rectangles for some drawers. And add a small circle in the middle of each of them for the handles. Underneath the nightstand, draw 2 small rectangles for the feet to finish it off. To add some more detail, you can add a lamp on top of the nightstand. Start with a gentle S shape here, mirrored on the other side like so. Then add a big trapezoid on top for the lamp shade. Inside the trapezoid, draw some thin vertical lines following along the shape for some added texture. And finish off the lamp with a line coming down from here and a tiny circle at the end for the light switch. To the left of it, you can add a glass of water with a tall upside down trapezoid and a smaller one inside of it for the water. And now you've got a nightstand. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.